Yes. So our next lesson is the hack driver. You know what is hack driver? Who is hack driver? Hack means the vehicle pulled by horses. Do you know? Have you seen that kind of vehicle which is drawn by the which is the pulled by the horses? हम उसको तांगा कहते थे, है ना? You can say that the person who drives the carriage which is drawn by horse is called the hack driver. Is it clear? The title? घोड़ा गाड़ी चलाने वाला. The person who carries person from one place to other place, or who carries the goods, सामान लेके जाता है in the vehicle which is drawn by the horses, that person is called a hack driver. Who is that? Title is clear. Who is the author? Just give the reply from your side. Who is the author? Anyone? Be attentive, be active.
Sinclair Lewis.
Yes, Sinclair Lewis. Everyone has to give an answer. Don't wait for Ashwath or Roshan or the children who regularly give the answer. Anyone? Okay, no problem. Sinclair Lewis is the author of this lesson. Now let's see who this author is. We will see some information about the author. Now you see on the picture, his full name is Harry Sinclair Lewis. है ना? इधर से देखेंगे. He was born on February 7, 1885, and he died on January 10, 1951. He was an American novelist. Novelist means one who writes the novels. He was also a short story writer and playwright. Playwright means who writes dramas. In 1930, he became the first writer from United States of America and the first from the Americas to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature. He is not an ordinary writer. He is a very great writer. He has also won Nobel Prize for Literature, which was awarded for his vigorous and graphic art of description and his ability to create with wit. Wit means humor. Humor matlab vinod. And humor, new types of character. His specialty was he could create the new type of character in his novels, in his dramas, and there is some sense of humor also in his novels. कुछ witty novels होते हैं उसके, कुछ थोड़ा मजा करने वाले. His works are known for their critical views of American capitalism, भांडवलवाद जिसको हम बोलते हैं, and materialism. Materialism means जो भौतिकवाद जिसको हम कहते हैं, उसमें वो क्रिटिकल व्यूज रखे. उसने क्रिटिकल मतलब उस पर टिप्पणी की है. व्हाट इज राइट, व्हाट इज रॉन्ग, व्हिच ही हैज क्रिटिकल व्यूज ऑन अमेरिकन कैपिटलिज्म एंड मटेरियलिज्म. मटेरियलिज्म मींस भौतिकवाद जिसको हम मराठी में कहते हैं. देन he is also respected for his strong characterization of modern working women. In many of his novels and dramas and short stories, he depicted the pictures he has written about the women. His main character are women, and those women are working women. So he is also respected for his strong characterization. Okay, is it clear? About
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Harry Sinclair Lewis, one thing you have to remember, American writer. He has also won a Nobel Prize in literature, and his characters, he has he has always created new types of character, and he is also respected for making his character as a modern working woman. Okay, he's respected for that. Here in short, you can write, see, born Harry Sinclair, February 7, 1785, and he died January 1951. Occupation novelist, playwright, short story writer. Nationality American. Okay, notable works जो उसने plays है, उसके Main Street है, Bubbit है, and Arrowsmith, and Nobel Prize in Literature in 1930 he got the Nobel Prize. This is what all about author is. Now, what is this lesson about? It is a very famous lesson of this author. In this lesson, the hack driver, what you are going to study? We are going to see that there is a young lawyer, and that young lawyer has just completed his education. He just has received graduate degree. 12वीं के बाद जो 3-4 साल का डिग्री कोर्स होता है, he has just received, and now he is working in a big firm. एक कंपनी में काम कर रहा है. So naturally he is new in his job, so he is given one very cheap work. सस्ता काम देते हैं, द वर्क विच इज नॉट रिक्वायर लॉट ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस. अभी वो लॉयर है, उसने एडवोकेट की डिग्री लॉ किया है, आपको पता है. तो एक्चुअली व्हाट ही इज होपिंग दैट ही विल गेट द वर्क ऑफ court cases, preparing suits, preparing cases, all like this. But actually what kind of work he gets, we will see in the lesson. So he is a young lawyer and he's made, what work is given to him? To serve summon. What is summon? Serve means to issue, issue means to give. समन, समन क्या होता है? कोर्ट ऑर्डर्स देना, कोर्ट ऑर्डर्स, कोर्ट की जो ऑर्डर होती है वो पहुंचाना. वो कोर्ट ऑर्डर आपने देखा होगा फिल्मों में, ये मेरे पास कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है, वो लाके देता है. तो कोर्ट ऑर्डर क्या होता है? सपोज इंस्टेड ऑफ प्रैक्टिसिंग लॉ, तो उसको काम दिया है जो कोर्ट की ऑर्डर है वो पहुंचा देना, जिसको पहुंचाना है वो. अब ये कोर्ट ऑर्डर किसको दी जाती है? कोई एविडेंस होता है, एविडेंस होता है, जैसे कि आप वो एक आधे केस के गवाह हो, तो आपको कोर्ट में उपस्थित रहना है. कोई केस चल रहा है कोर्ट में, तो आपको गवाह देने के लिए वहां पे बुलाना है, तो नोटिस दीजिए आपको कि आप इस तारीख को वहां पर आके अपनी गवाह दीजिए, इस केस में आपका इंपॉर्टेंस है गवाह. तो इस तरफ के समन्स जो थे, तो वो समन्स उसको पहुंचाना था. कहां पर? डिफरेंट पीपल को, कोई भी व्यक्ति हो सकता है किसी भी जगह का, उसको पहुंचाना है, उसको उस केस के लिए बुलाना है. सो दिस वर्क इज गिवन. सो इट इज अ वेरी चीप वर्क, इट डज नॉट रिक्वायर एनी इंटेलिजेंस. ये कोई काम नहीं हो सकता, कोई दिमाग नहीं चाहिए, जाके पहुंचा देना है समन. सो दिस वर्क इज गिवन टू दिस यंग लॉयर. ओके, ही हेट्स दिस जॉब एंड ही डज नॉट लाइक दिस जॉब. एज समटाइम ही इज बिटन अप. क्यों? व्हाई डज ही नॉट लाइक दिस जॉब? समटाइम ही इज बिटन अप. उसको पीटा जाता है. कौन पीटता है? Suppose you go to give the summon to some person and that person is very strong, and suppose he does not want to go to the court or sometime, and that time what happens? This person, that person who is giving the summon, sometimes beats him. So that's why he does not like this work. Once he is directed by the law, एक बार क्या होता है? Once he is directed by the law firm मतलब कंपनी जिसमें काम कर रहा है, to serve summons to one Mr. Oliver Lutking. You have to remember this name. तो उसको एक काम दिया गया है, ये Oliver Lutking is required. He is needed in one case. एक केस आई है कोर्ट में, उसमें Oliver Lutking का हाजिर होना, उसको वहां पे प्रेजेंट होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और ये लटकिन कहाँ रहता है? He lived in a village called New Mullion. Now the big firm is in city, and this man to whom he is supposed to give the summon, he lives in village called New Mullion. New Mullion is 40 miles away from the city. तो ये काम देते उसको न्यू मुलियन में जाने का. Then the young lawyer goes to the village with some expectation of village life, but he is disappointed. And now this man he becomes very happy. A young lawyer. क्यों? Because he is fed up with the life of city life. City life से वो fed up हो गया है. Or he wants to enjoy the life which is in which is led in the villages. He is attracted by the village life. So he decided that it will be a fun to go to the village, because what will he get? He will see the natural beauty there. He will see the peaceful people there. Good kind of natured people. He was expecting to see. वहां जाके ऐसा उसके दिमाग में रहता है विलेज में. That's why he was happy, but he is disappointed. लेकिन disappointed हो जाता है वहां जाने के बाद. Why? We will see in the lesson. He meets a hack driver. और वहां पर उस विलेज में न्यू मुलियन में he meets a hack driver को मिलता है, who is very helpful man, जो बहुत helpful है. And according to him, a last sentence is very important. According to the lawyer, the hack driver is very helpful man. We will find out whether really he is helpful or not. So this is what we are going to see in the lesson. You have to remember, in this lesson we will see one lawyer is saying to New Mullion to give summon to Oliver Lutking, and there he meets one person, hack driver, who appears to be very friendly and helpful. We will see whether he is really helpful or not. This is what in this lesson is. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, beta.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Next देखिए, इसको अभी छोड़ेंगे, वहीं से यहां से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. Now this is the beginning of our lesson. See, a young lawyer comes to a village to serve someone on Oliver Lutking. A friendly hack driver takes him round the village in search of Lutkings. Does he find him? Who is Lutking? Now, ये पूरा हमारा टेक्स्ट है, हाँ, टेक्स्ट बुक का ऊपर का जो मैंने टेक्स्ट से कॉपी किया है. देखिए, अ यंग लॉयर, आई हैव टोल्ड यू, ही कम्स टू अ विलेज टू सर्व लॉ एंड टू लटकिंग. ही फ्रेंडली हेक डेविड टेक्स हिम राउंड द विलेज. पूरे विलेज में घुमाता है उसको. किस लिए? इन सर्च ऑफ लटकिंग, लटकिंग को ढूंढने के लिए. तो लटकिंग को उसको क्या देना है? समन देना है. और ये जो विलेज, ये जो हमारा हैक ड्राइवर है, वो कहता है कि मैं तुम्हें ढूंढ के दिखाऊंगा, उस आदमी को मैं ढूंढकर आपको मदद करूंगा. डज ही फाइंड हिम? और वो मिलता है क्या? मिस्टर ओलिवर लटकिंग को मिलते क्या? एंड लटकिंग कौन है? हु इज लटकिंग? वी विल फाइंड. Why is the lawyer sent to New Mullen? We will find after studying 2-3 paragraph. You have to find out the answer to this question. Why is the lawyer sent to New Mullen? What does he first think about the place? Who befriends him? उसका friend कौन होता है? Where does he take him? कहाँ लेके जाता है? And what does he say about लटकिंग? लटकिंग के बारे में वो क्या कह रहा है? These are the questions which the answer of which we will find out in this next part. Now you see, we will start from here. These are the beginning of the first paragraph. Okay. See, children, after graduating with honors, I became a junior assistant clerk in a magnificent law firm. So I here is a narrator. जो lawyer है वही हमें कहानी बता रहा है. After getting my graduate degree, ऑनर्स होने के बाद, मतलब ग्रेजुएशन होने के बाद, I became a junior assistant clerk. He became an assistant clerk in a magnificent is very nice law firm. Law क्या होता है? जो ऑर्डर, लॉ ऑर्डर्स होती है, जो केसेस का काम करते हैं, कोर्ट केसेस का. फर्म मतलब कंपनी. उस कंपनी में he became a junior assistant clerk. I was sent not to prepare legal briefs. So when he became a junior assistant clerk, he was not given the work of preparing legal brief. Legal brief में जो केसेस होते हैं, ब्रीफ मतलब समरी, कोई रिलेटेड वर्क नहीं दिया मुझे कोर्ट केसेस का. बस मुझे वर्क कौन सा दिया? बट टू सर्व समन. द वर्क वाज गिवन टू गिव समन्स. समन मतलब कोर्ट ऑर्डर्स, like a cheap private detective. Generally this kind of work is given to cheap means very not very cheap, मतलब सस्ता वाला जिसको है ना, who is not very clever. डिटेक्टिव आपको मालूम है, डिटेक्टिव जासूस, ऐसे लोगों को ये काम दिया जाता है. So that work is given to me. I was not given the work preparing of legal briefs. So I was working in a magnificent law firm. Okay. So he did not enjoy this work. Why? Because I had to go to a dirty and shadowy corner of the city to seek out my victims. Why did he not like the work? Because he had to give the summon to those victims. Victims mean target. Target means to whom he is supposed to give the summon. जिसको summons देना है, वो लोग को ढूंढते वक्त, seek मतलब to search out my people. He had to go to the dirty and shadowy corner. Dirty corners of the city. सिटी के हर कॉर्नर में जाना पड़ता था, जो डर्टी भी होती थी, शैडो भी होती थी. ऐसे प्लेसेस में उसको जाना पड़ता था, क्योंकि विक्टिम्स कई के भी हो सकते थे. विक्टिम्स मतलब जिनकी गवाह जरूरत थी, जिनको समझ देना था. सम ऑफ द लार्जर एंड मोर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट वंस इवन बीट मी अप. एंड समटाइम व्हाट यूज्ड टू हैपन, व्हाट वुड हैपन, क्या होता था? लार्जर मींस वेरी स्ट्रांग, एंड मोर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट, कुछ कॉन्फिडेंट होते, बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट होते, दे यूज्ड टू बीट मी अप, मुझे पिटते भी थे, है ना वो लोग. So I hated this unpleasant work. That's why he hated that work. And the side of the city life, it revealed to me. And also he said that I hated the side of the city, that part of the city which is revealed to me. Revealed to me, which was shown to me, जो मुझे दिखाई जाती थी. मतलब कौन सी places? The shadowy corners and dirty places of the city. He hated that places, and he hated also the people. Because some people used to beat him. इस पे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, why he hated the work. तो आपको लिखना है, he had to visit the different dirty and shadowy corner of the city, and sometimes his victims to whom he was supposed to give the summon used to beat him too, and that's why he did not like that work. Okay. Next, he says, I even consider means I even thought fleeing to my hometown. Fleeing means to run away. Fleeing का अर्थ है to run away to my hometown. मैं इतना I was so fed up by this work. Sometime I used to think to go run away to my hometown. जहां से मैं आया था अपने घर में ही चला जाऊं, ये काम छोड़ दूं, ये राजीनामा दे दूं, resign and go to my home place where I could have been a real lawyer right away. Why he wanted to run away to his hometown? Because he could have been, वो बन सकता था अभी तक क्या, a real lawyer, वकील बन सकता था, real lawyer. right away, directly, without doing such kind of work, without going through this unpleasant training period. This was his training period actually. आपने देखा होगा many of the people जो तुरंत वो डिग्री लेते हैं, they do the apprentice, डॉक्टर के नीचे भी काम करते हैं, ट्रेनिंग होते हैं वो, है ना, to get some knowledge, experience. So he says that if I had been to my village, hometown, what would I have become right away? Directly, I would have become a real lawyer without doing such kind of unpleasant work. ऐसा गलत काम, गंदा काम मुझे जो पसंद नहीं है वो करे बगैर डायरेक्टली मैं क्या बन सकता था? लॉयर बन सकता था. सो आई रिजॉइस्ड मी, आई एंजॉयड, आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी. वन डे when they sent me out 40 miles in the country. So why he said that in this way I was not enjoying the work doing in the city. So they gave me one day order. What order? To go to the city, to go to the countryside. Countryside means village side, and that village was 40 miles in the 40 miles away from the city, to a town called New Mullion. They sent me to a town called New Mullion to serve summon on a man called Oliver Lutking. So when I was told by the company to go to the New Mullion and give this summon to a man called Oliver Lutking, I rejoiced. I became extremely happy. Okay. We needed this man as a witness in a law case. Why was this man required? He was required as a witness. Witness मतलब सबूत, गवाह, in a law case. एक केस में उसको गवाह, evidence जरूरी था, इसका गवाह था ये. And he had ignored all our letters. And what this man had done, he had ignored, he had not paid any attention. All our letters. Earlier also many letters were sent to him to come as a witness, but he had ignored all their letter. उसने ध्यान नहीं दिया था, अभी तक वो लेटर को उसने आंसर नहीं दिया था, और अभी तक वो केस के सामने वो गवाह बन के सामने नहीं आया था. और फाइनली उसके फर्म ने बोला कि इस आदमी को बाय हैंड ढूंढ के आओ, इसको लेके आओ, इसको समन दे के आओ बाय हैंड. दैट इज व्हाई ही वाज सेंट टू न्यू मुलियन. सो दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ. रेडी? अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन?
Yes, sir.
सभी को समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
ओके. अब देखिए, हियर you can see in the picture, this is the New Mullion, the place called New Mullion, and this is here you can see the hack driver. इसमें देखते हैं पहले क्या लिखते हैं hack driver. Okay. When I got to New Mullion, my eager expectation of a sweet and simple countryside village were severely disappointed. Author said, when I reached New Mullion by train से पहुंचता है, my eager expectation, my hopes, जो मैं सोच रहा था, what was in my mind about the village side, and what was he expecting, that he was expecting that the village must be a very sweet and simple. It must be very sweet, बहुत प्यारा सा होगा, simple होगा. But when he reached there, all his hopes were severely he became very disappointed. नाराज हो गया, दुखी हो गया, because he did not find the place what he was imagining. ऐसा नहीं मिला जैसा what he was imagining. What did he find there? He found that its streets, जो streets थे, you can see this is a street. Its streets were rivers of mud, muddy. Streets were muddy. Then with rows of wooden shop, there were the rows of wooden shop. The shops were made of wood. The rows of wooden shops either painted a sour brown, either they were painted, a sour brown. Sour means very brown in color, dark brown, or bare of any paint, or either bare means without paint. Paint ही नहीं लगाया था. So this kind of shops and houses he found. First of all, he found the roads very muddy. Second, the houses were either brown or without paint at all. Okay. Bare of any paint. Bare means naked of paint at all. The only agreeable side, agreeable means good, side means seen, about the place was the delivery man at the station. Only good thing, agreeable good thing about the place was the delivery man. Delivery man कौन होता है रे? The person who carry the things from one place to. आपने देखा होगा Amazon में आता है अभी, जो Flipkart हमारे यहाँ पे जो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हैं हम, वो जो चीजें लेके आता है, that person is called delivery man. Okay. So the only good thing was the delivery man at the station. This was the only good thing in the place, in the Mullion. Why he was a good man? Because he was about 40. What was the age? 40 years of age. Red-faced, cheerful, friendly, happy, and thick about the middle. Thick means very fat in the middle. Middle में थोड़ा fat था, cheerful था, 40 years of age था. Okay. His working clothes were dirty and well worn. The working clothes, the clothes he used to wear when he was carrying the people from one place to another, they were very dirty. ये कपड़े गंदे थे and well worn. Well worn means very not new. Worn मतलब फटे हुए भी नहीं थे. Very you can call old. Okay, and dirty also. And but his good thing about him was he was very friendly in nature, friendly manners. He was very friendly. You felt at once that he liked people. When you look at him, you immediately understand that he like the people. वो लोगों को पसंद करता है, इससे हमें पता चलता है. Okay. Now इसमें एक आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. Describe the delivery man, the man who narrator made on the station. You can write down that he was 40 years of age. He had a race face, cheerful and thick about the middle. His working clothes were dirty and well worn, and he had a friendly nature and he liked people. Okay, so that he liked people. I told him to find a man named Oliver Lucky. Now you see here, this sentence you have to remember. When author met him, immediately he told him, ये आपको बाद में काम आएगा. ये क्वेश्चन में मैं अभी क्यों काम में आएगा ये सेंटेंस आपको मैं बताऊंगा बाद में. I want him to find a man named Oliver Lutking. Author has immediately told him that I want to find a man called Oliver Lutking. Okay. So what is the reply of this man? Lutking. He said, Lutking, I saw him around here about an hour ago. एक घंटा पहले यहाँ पे था. Hard fellow to catch though. That man is very hard. It is very difficult to catch that man. Always up to something or other because he's always busy in doing something or other. हमेशा बिजी रहता है, एक चीज करने के बाद दूसरी तुरंत करता है वो. So it is very difficult to catch him. He's probably trying to start up a poker game in the back of Freeze's shop. What does he tell him? See, this man is giving him the information. What information is he giving? The man to whom you have come to give the summon, it is very difficult to catch that man. Why it is very difficult? Because he is always busy in work or other. Second thing, and now he was just here 1 hour ago, एक घंटा पहले इसको यहीं पे था, and he is probably, perhaps, trying to start up a poker game. Poker game क्या होता है? कार्ड गेम होता है, जुआ, जिसको हम पोकर गेम, कार्ड्स पत्ते खेलते हैं, ताश के पत्ते, पोकर गेम. और वो पोकर गेम कहां स्टार्ट करने की सोच रहा है? इन द बैक ऑफ फ्रीज शॉप. ये एक फ्रीज है, फ्रीज मतलब वो नाम है उसका एक शॉप है, उसके पीछे के एरिया में ही इज डिसाइडिंग टू स्टार्ट अ पोकर गेम. I will tell you, boy, is there any hurry about locating Lutking? He asked him, is there any hurry? कुछ जल्दी है क्या? To find him, locating, to find Mr. Lutking. Lutking को देखिए कितना बढ़िया ये उससे इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट कर रहा है. लटकिंग को पकड़ना जरूरी है क्या? पहले तो पूछ लिया कि लटकिंग किस इसने बता दिया कि आई वांट टू फाइंड लटकिंग. नाउ ही इज आस्किंग, इज इट एनी हरी? व्हाई डू यू वांट टू फाइंड द लटकिंग? तो वो रीजन पूछ रहा था. ही इज टेलिंग हिम, सी, यस, आई वांट टू कैच द आफ्टरनून ट्रेन बैक टू द सिटी. ही सेज दैट व्हाई आई एम इन हरी. आई एम हरी मींस जल्दी में क्यों हूं? Because I want to catch the afternoon train back to I want to go to return to my city by afternoon train. By afternoon, I have to catch him. I was very important and secret about it. I was very important and secret about it. एक sentence है कई गलत. Okay. मैं एक secret चीज बता. I will tell you what. I have got a hack. I will get it out and we can drive around together and find Lutkings. I know most of the places he has. Now this man, he says, he find out why he has come. He knew that this man has come to give the summon to Mr. Lutking, and he also knew that he wants to go to the return to his city, to his place by afternoon train. So he says that don't worry, I have got a hack. मेरे पास hack है. hack है मतलब गाड़ी है, घोड़ा गाड़ी. I will get it out and we can drive around together and we will drive in my hack to find Lutking. I will help you to find Lutking. I know because I know most of the places he hangs out. He can be hangs out जहां पर रहता है. where we can find, I know all the places where we can find him. Okay, he was so open and friendly that I glowed with the warmth of his affection. Narrator says this man was so open. So open means so expressive. He never hides anything, and he was also very good, friendly in nature, that I glowed with the warmth. I mean, I was very impressed with the warmth of his affection, by his love, because he was showing what kind of, he was ready to help him to find Mr. Lutking. Okay, I knew of course that he wanted the business, but his kindness was real. Author knew that. Why he was helping him? Because he knew he wanted the business. What business? Because if he book his hack, what will he get? He will get some money. Okay, so it is his business. Carrying the people is his business. So author knew that. I knew that he wanted his business, but his kindness was real. But his nature, helpful nature was real. There was no cheating in it. Okay, I was glad the fair money would go to this good fellow. Author says that I was very happy that the fair amount, fair means जो किराया जाएगा मेरा, मुझे तो किसी को देना ही है. So that fair amount will go to this man. That's why I was very happy. I managed to bargain. So I am bargained with him. Bargain means मैंने negotiation किया, सौदा किया उसके साथ. कितना per hour कितना लेगा. I managed to bargain down the $2 an hour. How much money was he going to charge for his help? $2 per hour. जितना घंटा लगेगा $2 लेगा उसको ढूंढने में. And then he brought from his house nearly a sort of large black box on wheels. So after negotiation, he went home, and from his home he brought a sort of large black box. एक बॉक्स था, एक डब्बा था जो व्हील्स पे फिट किया था, जिसको हम गाड़ी घोड़ा गाड़ी बोलेंगे, ऐसा बॉक्स लेकर आया. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. एंड that box was on wheels. तो घोड़ा गाड़ी लेकर आया. He remarked and he said, well, young man, here is the carriage. Okay, and his wide smile made me into an old friend, and he smiled very widely. And author liked his smile, and he thought that he was really very good person, and he can be his good friend, an old friend. It appeared that he was talking as if to his old friend. These villagers are so ready to help a stranger. See what he's thinking. He's thinking that villagers are very good. They are so ready to help a stranger. He's a stranger for him, but even the hack driver was ready to help him. He had already made his own task. He had already made his own task to find Oliver Lutking for me. Why was he so much impressed by this hack driver? Because he thought that he is very helpful, and he has accepted his own work like his own work. He accepted his work. उसका जो काम था to find the Oliver Lutking. It appeared that he was ready to do that work as if it was his own work. ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो अपना खुद का काम है, इस तरह से वो ready हो चुका था. And that is why narrator was very much impressed by this man. Okay, now he said, I don't want to interfere, young fellow, but my guess is that you want to collect some money from Lutking. Now देखिए, ये बहुत होशियार आदमी है. He is getting all the information from the lawyer. He is asking, when they started the finding, he asked him, I don't want to interfere. Interfere मैं तुम्हारे मामले में दखल अंदाजी नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. But my guess is that, मेरा guess ये है, you want to collect some money from Lutking. Why you want to search him? Because that man must have taken money from you. तुमसे उसने उधार लिया होगा, पैसे लिया होगा, उसने रिटर्न नहीं किया होगा, इसलिए तुम उसको ढूंढ रहे हो पैसे मांगने के लिए. Okay. He never pays anybody a cent. I must tell you that Lutking is very miser person. बहुत कंजूस है. He never pays anybody a cent. किसी का सेंट मतलब कॉइन होता है जो है ना, डॉलर के जो सेंट होते हैं पैसे, a small amount of money. He never pays anybody a cent. He still owes me 50 cent. He still owes me 50 cent on a poker game. मैं उसके साथ पोकर गेम खेला था. ये लटकिंग कह रहा है, ये कह रहा है हैक ड्राइवर, और उसने मुझसे 50 सेंट्स लिए थे. अभी तक उसने मुझे वापस नहीं दिए. He owes me 50 cent on a poker game. I was fool enough to play with him, but it was my mistake. I should not have played with him. मुझे उसके साथ वो poker game नहीं खेलना था. He is not really bad. Again he says, देखिए वो क्या कह रहा है लटकिंग के बारे में. लटकिंग के बारे में तो पहली चीज कहता है कि he is very miser. है ना, he borrows money from many people and he never returns the money. He says that he has taken my 50 cent. He has lost me to 50 cent. He owes 50 cent to me. मेरे से 50 cent लिए उसने, उसको देना है. और लेकिन दूसरी चीज क्या कहता है, he is not really bad, उतना बुरा नहीं है, but it is hard to make him part with his money. But what is bad part of his character? It is very hard. ये बड़ा कठिन है to make him part with his money. He does not part with his money. वो पैसा उससे हाथ से निकलता नहीं जल्दी, पैसा छूटता नहीं उसके हाथ से, है ना. So this is the only bad thing about him. If you try to collect from him in those fancy clothes, he will be suspicious and get away from you. And और एक advice देता है, see, remember, if you try to collect from him that money, if you want to collect money from Mr. Latking, and if you go and find him in such good clothes, ऐसे अच्छे कपड़े में अगर तुम उसको ढूंढोगे, फैंसी, he will be suspicious, वो तुम्हें डाउट करेगा, suspicious होगा, and run away from you. That's why you don't try to find him. तुम बाहर मत आओ, बताओ मत कि आप उसको ढूंढने के लिए आए, क्योंकि वो आपको तो जानता नहीं है. So that work will be done by me. मैं खुद करूंगा. मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं हर चीज जगह वैसी जगह पे जाऊंगा जहां पे वो मिल सकता है, मैं ढूंढ के आऊंगा, बाद में आपको मैं बुलाऊंगा. ओके, see, he will be suspicious and get away from you. If you want, I will go into freeze and ask for him. If you want, अगर चाहते हो तो I will go into freeze shop. freeze का जो shop है उसमें जाऊंगा and ask for him. मैं उसको पूछूंगा वो आया है क्या वहां पर. And you can keep out of sight behind me and you just hide behind me. Keep away from his sight. नजर से उसके दूर रहो, मेरे पीछे छुप जाओ. I loved him for this. Author says I loved him. What he was saying, it was really true. I like his idea. What idea he had given? That he will not come directly in front of Mr. Latking. For him, he will go every places to search him, so that he will find out whether Latking is not or not there. Until that time, he will hide behind him. मेरे पीछे छुपा रहेगा. So he said that I like his idea. Okay, I loved him for this. By myself, I might never have found Latking. वो कहता है कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे लटकिंग नहीं मिल सकता था, इसने हेल्प किया, वो अच्छी चीज हुई. With the hack drivers knowing help, I was sure of getting my man. I took him into my confidence and told him that I wanted to serve the summon on Latking. Then he told him that I don't want to collect money from him. Why I want to find him? Because I want to give the summon to Latking. Latking को मुझे summon देना है. That the man had refused to be a witness. उसने refuse किया है witness बनने के लिए. When his information would have quickly settled our case. If he come as a witness, our case will be settled very quickly. That's why I have come here to give the summon. The driver listened earnestly. He listened very earnestly, very seriously what he was saying. At the end, he hit me on my shoulder and laughed. उसने hit किया shoulder पर and said, okay, well, we will give brother Latking a little surprise. Now you see here in this paragraph, what is important thing? Here the important thing is that he is getting all the information. पहले तो उसने ऐसा डायरेक्टली नहीं पूछा कि क्यों आए, इसने कहा कि मुझे लगता है आपको पैसे लिए होंगे, और कहा कि उसके बारे में अच्छा भी बोला कि वो पैसे लेता है, लेकिन उसकी बैड हैबिट है कि वो पैसे अलग नहीं देता, लेकिन आदमी इज वेरी गुड, द मैन इज वेरी गुड. देन इसने उसको बता दिया कि व्हाई ही हैड कम देयर. ही टोल्ड हिम दैट आई हैव कम हियर टू गिव a summon to that Mr. Latking because he is required in our one case and he has refused earlier orders, and if he come and give the witness, our case will be settled very quickly. उसको इंफॉर्मेशन मिल गया कि ये क्यों आया है, और अब कहता है कि लेट्स गो, वी विल फाइंड हिम. सो देखिए यहाँ पर वी विल स्टॉप टुडे. ओके, तो आपको एक चीज रखना है, ओलिवर लटकिंग को ढूंढने के लिए आया है. ये हैक ड्राइवर कहता है मैं मदद करूंगा. ही इज वेरी इंप्रेस बाय हैक ड्राइवर. उसका नेचर बताया है और ये पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन इससे उसने निकाला व्हाई ही हैड कम. सो टुमारो वी विल सी अवर नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग लेसन. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन वी विल स्टॉप हियर. Did you understand today's part?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. We will stop and we will meet tomorrow. Okay, na? Okay. Okay, bye.